Good evening. It's been a long time since I've done a video, so I figured I'd do that for informational purposes. So a lot's changed. I now have moved all the lights. I had 8 total, or 8 fixtures. I moved all those out of the crawl space, or this side of the crawl space at least. And I also covered everything with vapor barrier, well, at least everything that I'm not using. And so we've got 4 lights here, and then I moved the other 4 over here. It's a little brighter in here, but move the other 4 from this side over here. I've also framed this wall, or studded it at least. I had to stop there because I ran out of 2x4s, but that'll be a storage wall. Started a project, face frame for some cabinets for the laundry room, and still have the pooper and the keg. 2 musts. Also got a miter saw. Great deal. It was buy the miter saw and get this stand for free, which is a $200 stand, so that was a no-brainer. So that kind of hurried up this wall because I need another separate plug for it. What else? Bought these tables, which are most excellent. I even forget what they're called now, but they're heavy duty. That's what it's actually a catch-all now, but that's what I was using for assembling the cabinets and all the extra lumber in there. Moved the table saw over. Started running into a problem where I needed bigger, or a space to catch wood as it came off of the table saw. So I'm going to make or the next project is supposed to be an outfeed cart. So we'll see how long it takes for that to happen. I think that's it. I don't know that I've done anything else. The vapor barrier was fun. You know, put the concrete blocks up there to keep it down, but the humidity's staying low. It usually does not get over 60%, and I also got the dehumidifier out. And I remember now I moved all the stuff out of here, so this is all cleaned up. This space. I think that's it. So, like I said, I'm gonna put plywood up on that wall, and I'll probably go ahead and put it on this wall too, because as you can see, it's just, I'm setting stuff everywhere, and there, and down on the sawhorses. I need a place to store some stuff now, so that's the plan. There you have it. Until next time.